Anita, these past 7 years that I've had the opportunity to call you mine have been some of the greatest years of my life. You and I have shared together some really amazing moments together, but we have also shared some very difficult moments. You've been there for me through the absolute worst times of my life, and I truly don't know if I could have made it through them without all of your support and love for me. You have been my best friend, girlfriend, and fiance. You're always the one person I know I can share absolutely anything with and know that I will never be judged or feel embarrassed. I am more excited and grateful than you will ever know to be making the promises and commitments for our lives together with you today. Nothing makes me happier than to know that from this day forward you will be my amazing, caring, and beautiful wife. From the times that have passed and the times that are to come, I promise more than anything to always love you. That will never change. No matter the difficult times that are to come and the difficult situations we may be in, I will always love you.
Dylan, I don't know where I would be in life if you hadn't came at the time you did. God knew his timing and knew I needed you then. You saved me. In so many ways, I am who I am today because of you. I don't avoid mirrors anymore. I don't hold my head down anymore. And I can actually breathe when I leave my house. You've encouraged my personal growth and supported me in my journey of life. You are my reason to get up in the mornings and my drive to be the best version of myself all day. I promise to love you unconditionally the rest of our lives. I promise to cherish every moment, good and bad. I promise to be your safe place, and I promise to listen to you and learn from you, to support you and accept your support.
We got some kind of magic. It's like we've always had it.
I think I cried.
We've always had it.
Oh, you're gonna make me cry.
You look gorgeous. I didn't think I'd actually cry.
All the stars baby, I'll pull down for you. We got some kind of, please tell me that you will always have this magic like we do. Slow dance on a New York City high rise. You and me on top of the world.
You have demonstrated your willingness and your desire to have God at the center of your marriage. And you've exchanged rings to symbolize for everyone to see that from this day forward, you are husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. And now I give to you, friends and family, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Dylan and Anita Spencer. Woo!
This is what it feels like at the top. Hello, life in a brand